This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
Company background. Nokia Corporation is an international communication firm whose headquarters are situated in Espoo. The company is popular for manufacturing mobile phones. In addition, the company manufactures other consumer products like mobile networks, set-top boxes, and apparatus for broadband internet. Moreover, Nokia Corporation supplies the motor industry with car speakers. Currently, the company dominates the mobile phone market with a market share of over 38.6%. In 2010, Nokia's financial income was $2.6 billion. Engineer Frederick Eitstam established the company in 1965. During this period, the company dealt with paper products, which it exported to Great Britain and Russia. In the early 20th century, the company concentrated on the manufacture of wheelchair frames and rubber boots. Even today, some brands of bicycle tires bear the company's name. The modern Nokia company was established in 1967. The management brought the former paper mill section and the rubber works together to establish a technological company. In 1981, a mobile network was launched in Scandinavia, prompting Nokia Corporation to manufacture its first car phones. In 1987, the company manufactured its first mobile phone. At the same time, Nokia Corporation helped Finland, Germany, China, Poland, Italy, and Mexico to repair networks for their entertainment industries. In 2010, Stephen Elop joined the company's management team. Nokia Corporation merged with Siemens to form one of the biggest telecommunication networks, dubbed Nokia Siemens Networks. Currently, Nokia Corporation is among the companies that manufacture quality smartphones globally. The company continues coming up with novel inventions in line with emerging technologies. Factors influencing organizational change. In 2004, Nokia Company started restructuring its operations as a way to satisfy customer aspirations. The company came up with a program dubbed the Nokia Booster Program, which aimed at bringing together online customers and the company's strategic development. Several factors contributed to the restructuring process. Among them include a desire to attain global coverage, embrace employee empowerment, promote co-creation, and support the community. One of the key factors that prompted the Nokia Corporation to come up with the Nokia Booster Program was the pressure to exploit the global market. The company needed to establish a single access point through which it could communicate with all its target consumers and employees worldwide. Before the program, the company relied on a communication structure where information was conveyed from the top management down to the employees through several senior staff. Such a communication structure was slow. Consequently, the company required a communication structure that could keep pace with the contemporary marketplace. To enhance its performance, Nokia Corporation required a platform to share its agendas with employees. Previously, employees made limited contributions to organizational policies. To ensure that employees backed the company's agendas, Nokia Corporation had to devise mechanisms that would captivate the employees. The company learned that employees could be active if allowed to manage debates that fascinated them. To achieve this, the company assigned different employees to different agendas and requested them to share the agenda with the public. This helped the company to gather information from the public, therefore, aligning its operations with customer needs. The program helped the company to reach its target customers in remote areas where it was hard for employees to reach. Through the program, customers shared their views about the company and changes they wished the company to make, thus spurring employee creativity. Indeed, the program led to numerous innovations in the company. The management team of Nokia Corporation maintained that, for the company to perform, it required exploiting the vast experience and knowledge its employees possessed. Nevertheless, it could hardly achieve this without fostering cooperation between the employees. Senior managers came up with ideas concerning the innovations they would like to introduce into the company. The company then disseminated the ideas to employees and customers through the Nokia Booster program. The program helped the company to establish a platform by which it could get opinions from all the stakeholders, therefore, coming up with products that meet all the desired specifications. Besides, the company needed to be sure that its employees are aware of the value of the projects the company initiates. Nokia Corporation could achieve this by involving the employees in the formulation and implementation of the projects. The Nokia Booster program acted as an avenue through which the company fostered cooperation between employees in different departments. In 6 months, the company had started witnessing inventions as employees sought to enhance organizational operations. In addition, employees shared ideas on changes they considered unfeasible, thus helping the company pursue feasible goals only. How organizational change unfolded. In 2004, Nokia Corporation made it public that it intended to begin organizational change, which aimed at helping the company meet changing consumer needs. The company reduced the number of its business units to 4. It implemented the entire change within 1 week. To implement the change, the company required 100 employees to take new jobs. All the other employees retained their original jobs. Nokia Corporation reconstructed its initial modular teams. The company established a common platform through which all employees shared their ideas to help the company to address customer ambitions. Ropponen posits the genesis of the booster program, launched in late 2008, could be traced to the wide involvement of the strategy planning process and to the flexibility and project orientation of the modular structure. The program started with a design team led by Ian G. and Maximilian Kammerer. The design team argued that the traditional system of communication made it hard for the company to achieve its goals. Hence, the company required a platform that would help it involve all its stakeholders in pursuing organizational goals. The design team resolved to organize a workshop with team leaders, followed by the much broader involvement of the whole community through an online social network community. The corporation organized workshops in different cities across the globe. At least 100 change leaders participated in every workshop. After the workshops, participants went back to their organizations, where they recruited employees into the adopted change processes. The online community took center stage in steering the changes. This mishmash of traditional communication mechanisms and novel forms of relations established an upsurge of fervor. The booster led to open discourse between frontline workers, community members, and managers about challenges affecting the company. The online community furnished employees with information concerning potential changes that could benefit the company, therefore, helping them initiate innovations. This case study on Nokia change management was written and submitted by a student just like you. The IvyPanda Samples database hosts thousands of works similar to this one on various subjects. Visit ivypanda.com to find what you are looking for.